Hello everyone, this is Ozzy teacher. Welcome back to my English grammar series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make your English sound more natural. Not just correct, but natural. We will learn how to use words like very, really, quite, and extremely. These are very common in daily English. Let's begin. Let's start with very. Very makes an adjective stronger. For example, I'm very tired. This is very easy. She is very happy. We use very all the time in English. Now let's look at really. Really is very common in spoken English. For example, I'm really tired. This movie is really good. Native speakers often use really instead of very. It sounds more natural. Now let's talk about quiet. Quiet means something between normal and very. For example, this movie is quite good. I'm quite tired. It is not very strong, but it is more than normal. And finally, extremely. This word is very strong. For example, I'm extremely tired. This accent is extremely difficult. Use it when you want to give strong emphasis. Today, you learn how to use common words in daily English. These small words make a big difference. They make our English sound more natural and more fluent. Write one sentence using these words in the comments. This is Ozzy teacher. See you in the next lesson.